From the streets of Atlanta to global stardom, T.I. has built an empire that seamlessly blends music, luxury, and legacy. Known as the King of the South, this rap icon has not only redefined trap music but also amassed a staggering net worth of $30 million. His journey takes us through chart-topping success, stunning mansions, jaw-dropping cars, and battles with controversy. Dive in as we uncover the highs, lows, and the unstoppable ambition of T.I. Clifford Joseph Harris Jr., better known by his stage name T.I., was born on September 25, 1980, in Atlanta, Georgia. Raised in the Bankhead neighborhood, he grew up surrounded by challenges, including poverty and crime. Despite these hardships, T.I. displayed a knack for rhyming at an early age, often using music as an outlet to navigate the struggles of his environment. Inspired by his great-grandfather, who affectionately nicknamed him Tip, T.I. embraced the name as a part of his identity. He started selling mixtapes out of the trunk of his car, grinding hard to get his voice heard. It was during these formative years that T.I. not only developed his signature sound but also began to understand the power of storytelling through rap. His ability to combine raw, street-level authenticity with catchy beats eventually made him a pioneer of trap music, a subgenre of hip-hop that would later dominate the charts worldwide. This hunger for success, born out of his early struggles, became the foundation for his journey from Atlanta's streets to global recognition, proving that even the toughest beginnings can lead to extraordinary achievements. T.I.'s career is a story of talent, resilience, and strategic growth. He debuted in 2001 with I'm Serious, which introduced his lyrical talent but gained modest success. Undeterred, he co-founded Grand Hustle Records and released Trap Music 2003, which solidified him as a pioneer of trap music with hits like Rubber Band Man. His subsequent albums, Urban Legend 2004 and King 2006, delivered chart toppers like Bring 'Em Out and What You Know, cementing his place in mainstream hip-hop. His global success peaked with Paper Trail 2008, featuring hits like Live Your Life with Rihanna. Beyond music, T.I. ventured into acting, appearing in movies like ATL and Ant-Man, and expanded his empire with ventures in fashion, nightclubs, and Grand Hustle Records, which launched stars like Travis Scott and B.O.B. Despite legal challenges, T.I. continued to evolve with albums like No Mercy 2010 and the Libra 2020. He also made a mark in reality TV with T.I. and Tiny, The Family Hustle. Today, he stands as a hip-hop icon, entrepreneur, and cultural influencer, leaving a lasting legacy in music and beyond. T.I.'s hard work and perseverance paid off, culminating in a net worth of $30 million. His earnings come not only from a string of hit albums and iconic tracks like Whatever You Like and Live Your Life, but also from his ventures into acting, entrepreneurship, and real estate. Whether it's through his clothing brand, Aku, or his investments in cryptocurrency, T.I. exemplifies the mindset of diversifying income streams to build lasting wealth. This financial success allowed him to invest in properties, including his magnificent Atlanta mansion. Nestled in an exclusive gated community along the Chattahoochee River, T.I. and Tiny's Atlanta mansion is a testament to their success. The $3.27 million property, spanning 14,000 square feet, features everything from a resort-style pool and spa to a state-of-the-art gym and a stunning outdoor fireplace. This luxurious haven is not just a home, it's a reflection of the journey T.I. took from humble beginnings to a life of affluence. The mansion's blend of elegance and comfort mirrors the balance T.I. strikes in his career and personal life. Complementing his grand mansion is a car collection that screams sophistication and success. T.I.'s garage boasts an array of high-end vehicles, including Rolls-Royces, Bentleys, Lamborghinis, and a classic Chevrolet Impala. Each car is more than just a luxury purchase, it's a symbol of the milestones he's achieved. From cruising the streets of Atlanta to making red carpet arrivals, T.I.'s car collection underscores his love for style and his journey to the top. While T.I. has enjoyed immense success, his life has not been without challenges. Over the years, he faced legal troubles that tested his resilience. His most notable issue involved federal weapons charges in 2007, which led to a prison sentence and probation. In 2010, he and Tiny were arrested for drug possession, resulting in another stint behind bars. Despite these setbacks, T.I. has consistently rebounded, using these experiences to grow personally and professionally. These challenges didn't define him but became stepping stones in his evolution as a music and business mogul. Adding to the challenges, T.I. and Tiny are currently fighting a $100 million lawsuit involving their former girl group, OMG Girls. The case revolves around claims that a popular doll line copied the group's image and style. This legal battle highlights T.I.'s commitment to protecting his family's creative and business interests, showcasing how he applies the same tenacity in courtrooms as he does in the studio. T.I.'s life is a masterclass in resilience and ambition. From pioneering trap music and amassing a fortune to overcoming legal hurdles and defending his creative empire, he has remained a force to be reckoned with. His journey, marked by success, luxury, and perseverance, is a testament to what can be achieved with hard work and vision. Stay tuned for more stories of icons who redefine success, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content.